Welcome. In front of me is a Honor View 20, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So once you get to the phone, you will be presented with this screen that you see right now. And from here, what you want to do is just select your language that you want to use. I'm going to stick with English, which is already selected, and then I'm going to tap on Get Started. Here, terms of use, just select that you have read it and agreed, and tap on Next. Then you can put in a SIM card. I'm just going to skip the step, it's not necessary. So keep on going. Data import, you can import your previous phone's data to this one. Just select where you want to get it from, either Google backup, Huawei, or like iPhone or previous Android device. That isn't any of these specified ones here. I don't have anything to import, so I'm just gonna go on and proceed to the next. Then I can connect to the network, which I'm gonna choose mine right here. It's gonna automatically start looking for updates, if I'm correct. Yep, checking for updates. So this might take about a minute or less, hopefully less. And once it's finished, we can proceed on. Yeah, so you can log into your Google account. I'm gonna do that. You don't actually have to. There is a skip button, just to show you. You can see there is a skip button, which if you don't want to log in, you can actually just bypass this. So let's go. I'm gonna tap on Next. And I'm gonna put in the password, so let me do that off the screen. Okay. So once I put it in, I just tapped on Next, and you see this one, which is also terms of service, but for Google this time. So you will have to actually press agree here, otherwise you can't really use it. Okay, then you have a couple options that you can enable and disable, depending on how you like it. Google Backup, if you want to have your device backed up to Google Drive. Location, which for instance, I'm gonna disable this. A couple other things as you can see here. So yeah, then tap on accept, then continue. I'm not a fan of voice assistants, but if you like it, you can just tap on agree and then go through the process of setting it up. I'm just gonna tap on no thanks, and from here some Huawei applications, which I'm gonna skip as well. Cloud storage, you can use it or enable or disable. I'm just gonna skip it as well. Yep, skip. And here is probably one of the more useful features. You can set up some kind of protection, fingerprint, face unlock, or password, or you can set up all three of them in reality. We're just gonna stick with either fingerprint or password. I'm gonna choose fingerprint because then I actually have to choose also a password, so it will give a better example of how to set up two things at once. So you can then tap on enable, and as you can see, by default you have to put in PIN number, but you can also change the unlock method that is visible right here, and choose from one of those four other options, which is 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, which would be more digits basically, pattern or password. I'm gonna choose pattern. I'm gonna draw it, and same goes for basically all the other ones where you have to put in whatever you chose twice. One is basically first one, and then a confirming one as a just to confirm it basically. So here now we're gonna start scanning our finger, which there's a fingerprint reader on the back. I'm just gonna start tapping my finger on the back. Okay, that was a fairly quick setup actually. So tap on OK. You can add another fingerprint if you like. I'm just gonna skip for now. One is good enough. And tap on no thanks. User experience improvements, no. Then here you can actually tap on continue to update your software or not. If I'm gonna say manually because I already updated this device previously, so it is on the latest software, and otherwise I'm pretty sure it would start looking for updates for no reason and just waste more time. And then popular apps, which you can, I guess, install if you like from Play Store. I'm just gonna not install any of them. It's just an example, but you can choose whatever you like from those apps and to install them automatically. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you're on the home screen. And also, because of that pattern, you have two ways of unlocking your device, either by the pattern or whatever you have chosen, or by the fingerprint by tapping it on the back, as you can see. So that is how you set up your device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.